the hook out of it. You gotta push it through. Come on. You gotta do it faster.
You need to get back in the water.
I'm trying, Dad. Can you help me?
Justice's first fish right here.
Got it.
Okay, let's see him. Hold him up. Let's see him.
Hold him up. Let Daddy get him, and then set him down gently in the water. Don't throw him.
Let's see. Gotta hold him. Put your hand underneath his belly. So he's, yep. So he's up like, yeah, like that. Let's see him now. That is your first bass right there, Justice.
First bass.
That's your first one. Okay, now you gotta put him in there. So what you do,
Set him down in the water.
you don't throw him in.
First hold him a little.
You just gotta hold him a little bit and sort of shake him just a little bit in the water so that he gets,
Careful, 'cause his foot's wrapped
and
around
then
his
he'll,
leg right now.
can you reach down in there?
Don't move this back foot. I'm unhooking you.
Yep, just like that, Jeff. He's fine. Okay. Yep, okay. Got it, Jeff? Is he good, Jeff? Okay, let him go then. Let's see. See if he starts swimming away.
Stand up
Here he
straight,
goes.
put your hook right under you.